Alright, so I really appreciate your time and being here. But before we start the tutorial, I have something important to tell you. Yeah, very quick. We all need friends. Yep. We all want to mingle ourselves with friends. Yep. We all want to move with friends. That is true. But be careful the people that you move yourself with. Do you understand? If you mingle yourself with people who don't have vision, who don't know their left and who don't know their right, who don't know what to achieve in life, who don't want to go nowhere, you're definitely going to end up with them. You mingle yourself with people that you don't get inspired when you're around with them. You don't get motivated when you're with them. They don't talk about future. They don't talk about what they want to be. They love their comfort zone that they are. Definitely you're going to end like them. That's why sometimes they keep on saying that there's a quote that says that, show me your friend, let me tell you your character. So if your friends have the vision of not doing nothing, don't know his left and right, definitely going to end like him. Do you understand? That's why sometimes when they see that you have a friend who's an armed robber, then they will think that you are an armed robber. If you have a friend that whose wisdom, have knowledge, they're going to think that you are very knowledgeable. Do you understand? So mingle yourself with people that you will get inspired. That will talk positive into your life. That will push you. Don't mingle around with people who don't know their left, who don't know where they are going, who don't want to achieve nothing in this world, just want to lay low, enjoy their comfort zone. Thank you so much. Let's get it started. Let's get a tutorial started. Thank you. The length is 17. 5.5. You can make it 6 for an elderly person. The circumference of your head is, the elastic is 4 inches. This one you can make it 10 inches if you want, but this I made it 8. The circumference of your head was 19, so I deducted 2 inches. That's what I got at 17. This is the wrong side of the fabric. This is the wrong side of the fabric and the wrong side of the fabric. And we're going to fold it like this and you sew from the top to the bottom. You do the same thing to the rest. So you can see I've sewed from the top to the bottom. Then we're going to flip everything out. An average person, the head of an average person is 22. So an adult person, you can deduct 4, and you have to make the elastic 6 inches. But this one I made it for my niece, it's small. So after flipping everything over, you can see the plate that we sew is in the middle. You can see the line there. So you have to make sure that it's fall in the middle. Then you give it a nice press of an iron. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, click on the notification bell. So anytime that I post something, you get a message that I post something. Comment, tell me what you think. Share my work, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is about sewing. You're going to do a lot of stuff here for men, for elderly men, elderly women, your kids, bags, shoes. So after that, we're gonna fold and a half inch inward. You fold and a half inch inward, then you iron it. You're gonna do the same thing to the bottom, 2 of them. That's what you're gonna do. You have to fold half inch inward. You can see I folded half inch inward. Only these 2. Now we're gonna insert our elastic. You always make sure that the elastic and the material have the same measurement. That will make it so beautiful. If not, if the fabric is bigger than elastic, no, it's not going to look nice. It's not going to look nice. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, click on the notification bell, so that anytime I post a video, you got a message that I posted something. Oh boy, I know you feeling it. Yeah, so we're gonna sew like that. You have to sew the elastic and the fabric together. You have to remove your pin, then you sew on top on the elastic and the fabric together. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, click on the notification bell, so that anytime I post something, You get a message that I put. You see how it's gonna look? It look beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful. So the place that we folded, yeah. So you have to insert this one inside like a 1/2 inch. You put it in the middle, just like that. Then you fold each side and each side. Then you top stitch it. You sew it. When you fold it, it will become very big and thick. If you don't have a strong machine, you can't just sew on it very fast. You just have to take your time and sew at that part. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Like and share, comment. So you can see this is how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna take the other one as well and have to cross it together like that. You can see the place that we're supposed to be the wrong side, where the line is supposed to be like. So you set it like that. When you set it like this, the measurement gonna reduce. That is why we join it with the elastic to make it nice. To fix your hair, you're gonna do the same thing. The place that we folded, you have to insert this one in. The place that we folded, have to insert this one in. Put it in the middle, and you fold it other side and for the other side, and you top stitch it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell so anytime that I post something, you'll be notified that more I've posted something. So come and watch. Subscribe for more video, comment for more video, give me a thumbs up for more video. We're gonna do a lot of stuff here. There are a lot of stuff that we're gonna do here. So for men, for women, cakes, bags, purse, you know. So you have to stay tuned. You have to stay tuned, you know. Sometimes then I'll give you a little bit of motivation. So this is how the shows go. We run everything here. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. You can see how tightly strong look like. So we done. We are finished. This is how it look like. We finished. Thank you so much for watching.